Hello, welcome back to my channel. I tested out a new banana bread video and just wanted to create something for fun, and I really enjoyed making it, so please check out this simple, easy to follow banana bread tutorial. Thanks. So starting off, you just need some really simple ingredients as listed here. I totally forgot to picture the walnuts and the frozen bananas, of course, as I would. I also clearly have no idea how to line a pan, but what we accept here is just the best that you can do, so it's all good. You know, don't forget to wiggle your banana like that. Get it? Butter wave? And then just stir that really amazing pile of goop until it looks like this. I find that the butter freezes a little bit to the sides, so just be sure to scrape that off with your mixing utensil of some sort. And then you go ahead and just add the egg, mix that in thoroughly, you know, just make it nice and consistent. That's the whole theme of this baking tutorial, I guess, if you can even call it that. And now it's dry ingredient time. Oh, please listen to this audio of sugar. I thought it was just so smooth. And one more time. And then we go ahead and mix up the rest of the dry ingredients. I probably could have used 2 hands for this, but I refused to. And then I realized it's just way easier to mix with 2 hands, so here we are. Isn't that mixture just so smooth? It's okay, I'll just be proud of myself. And so now, the most difficult part, at least for me, was mixing the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Please do not do what I did here and just mix these things up in only 2 parts. I honestly recommend 3, because then it's just way easier on your hand. I think my forearm was about to explode by the time I ended doing this. Mix. Yep, see here? Please don't do that. It's fine, I totally forgot to add the walnuts in prior, but I think I'm honestly not even sure when to add the walnuts. I feel like I have no experience in baking, and so I was like, it's gotta go in there somehow, so. And then again, going back to the theme of this entire video, we want to make sure that everything is mixed in until it's all nice and smooth, like we'll go ahead and see in the next frame here. it's extremely goopy. I've never made banana bread before, and I did not think that this mixture was going to be so sticky. And then because I did such a terrible job lining my pan, I had to end up spraying it with some Pam. But you definitely don't have to if you just know how to line a pan correctly, unlike I do. Make sure you get every single last drop of that mixture, like it looks like I'm doing here. And then I had to mix it one more time because this was just so goopy. Ooh, so consistent. Okay, please tell me. Everybody hates doing the dishes, right? Like, it is just so terrible. Do not let looks fool you in here. This banana bread was completely undercooked. Yeah, see? Just all goop. Just all goop. Second time around, it still lied to me. I felt very betrayed by this recipe that I was following. So in total, I think the recipe told me only to do it for like 45 to 55 minutes. But to even get the internal temperature at the right time and make sure that there wasn't too much goop, just like sticking to my little, what do you, like those, I don't know. It actually took like an hour and 15 minutes for this banana bread to cook all the way through. But once it did, it was so beautiful. Look at it. Golden brown. Basically the tan level that I want to be every summer. And it was actually surprisingly pretty moist. I think next time I do need to do something about it so it's not as, like, I don't know, maybe a little bit sweeter. Do you add bananas to that? I don't know. Please, someone let me know in the comments below. And you know, of course, I'm a giving person, so I gave some away to my family, my boyfriend's mom, and then also a majority for myself. But thanks for watching. Bye.